Tools in the garage, household needs, a drill station. It's by CF Master. As we unbox it, we're going to show you how it's presented to you. We have a little tray, storage holder for screws, bolts, whatnot. Put on the wall, on the studs. Everything's protected in plastic and bubble wrap. You have hardware and accessories, a level. You have the AC outlet that hangs up on top of the unit. It has about 7, 2, 4, 6, 8 outlets with an on and off switch and a 6-foot cord about. Check online for the colors, makes, and models you are after. This is the drill station shelf. It holds your drills. You can put hammers on it as well. It has sidings. Its color is red. And we're going to start to assemble the unit. You're given an instruction template of cardboard. Go over the parts list, how to install, and how to assemble. This template will go on your wall, so you put your drill holes where the studs meet. We laid everything out on the table and put into the accessory holder all your parts and material with the included Allen key, anchors, set screws, a level, and the screws to install. We have the 2 sides and a drill, 4 screws, and the right Allen key. And we're going to place in correctly and line up the 2 holes and lock down. Secure one side down. After securing one side down and rotating around, place the shelf up and grab the next set of bolts and place into the holes and lock down. Secure all 4 bolts down and lock into place. With the black shelf, place onto the top one first, matching the holes over here with the short bolt, lock down all 4. Rotate around, place 2 bolts into the holes. As we rotate around to show you the next shelf, we have 3 holes as options. 1, 2, 3. The highest one will give you 6 inches, 7 inches, 8 inches about. We're going for the center hole. Lock all 4 down. Turn around and repeat for the other side. Place upright and finish off with the outlet, depending if you want on the left or right hand side your cord, as well as putting in the front hole or towards the rear hole your cord. We're going for the front 2 holes. Aligning with the screw and holes, lock down with all 4 bolts. Repeat for the opposite side. And tighten up with the Allen key, all 4 bolts. With your option to the socket and tool holder, over here there are 2 holes with nuts on either side that you can lock down. Place in your bolts align, and start to screw down. With the Allen key, place on, align, and screw down. Lock down both sides. On the opposite side, we have long hook holders. They go to the holes corresponding on either side, 3 of them, to put on anything imaginable, tape, rope, whatnot. We have some hooks with 2 holes. You're going to find them over here. Place on, lock down on each of the sides. A secure push to lock into place as they snap on. We have screws, levels, and anchors to hang the unit up with our template that matches up to the unit on the wall. For this demonstration purposes, we're going to put our unit here. We have a stud over here. We're going to screw down. Our studs are located on the wall, both sides. We have a level. We're going to take this spot here and open up all 4 corners with the black side facing to the back. We're going to place the level in. Once in, it holds into place. We're then going to level, place the screws on, and lock down. We have 2 other corners to do. Once all the screws are in and where the studs are located, we simply lift and match our holes, the keyholes, and align. Cable out of the way. All 4 locked down and slid on into place. We're putting on the remaining hook and locking down. And we plug in our outlet cord to our power supply. Removing the tip, plugging in, and powering on the station. We have a light for off and on. We're completed hanging up, and we have a place for the drill. And we have an area to put our charger in with the hole so we could place our charger in and charge our charger batteries. And there we go. Now this is a 4 holder you could put to the side to put an additional number of drills any way you want. You can put the head of the drill in like so, and it'll hold as well. On the side we have hooks and also hooks for other type of items. I have my earmuffs. They could be hooked onto the side. I could take my lights and now place them on top. I have many different ways of hanging my unit up. The unit measures across 16 plus inches, 16 1/4, so you could get stud to stud, be centered. The height of the unit from the shelf to the bottom is 10 1/2. from the AC to the very bottom, about 13 inches. And each of the shelf units measures from 6 to 8 inches in height, depending on where you put your bolts. Not just for drills, you could put a hammer on as well and additional drills. A drill station for all your tools and needs for things that you need to charge with batteries. I hope you enjoy your drill station. Thank you very much for viewing.